here it is. All right, we got a package from 300, as you can see. I say a package because we should have gotten 4 packages, but FedEx, I expected all 4 packages to be included with the master tracking, but we only got 1. The other 3 are still in the Tennessee hub. With that said, I don't know if the lighting and the audio is going to be the best, but I wanted to unbox this live. I have no clue which parts are in here. From the look of it, I'm going to assume it might be the carbon fiber front lip, maybe side skirts. I don't think it could be the small trim pieces. I don't know, but we're going to unbox it. We're going to see the quality up front, first person, just unboxing it. Again, this might not be the best lighting and audio, but I'll try my best to fix it in post to make it look good and see what's to come on Driven District, because we're going to be opening up pre-orders and then being the supplier for 300. Ready? Let's open this up, see what we got. I'm excited. Pretty soon these are going to be going on the car. And yes, somebody, you know who you are, snuck in and got a pre-order in before I officially opened pre-orders. I was working on the website on drivendistrict.com, and all of a sudden a freaking order came in. So your carbon fiber front lip for the 124 Spider is in this order. Not necessarily this box, but it's in this order and will get shipped out to you ASAP. And then I'll be opening up pre-orders for everybody else. So what do we got? We got something small down here, taped. Let's see. So this is the meat and potatoes right here. But it looks like we got a little something over here too. What do we got? What are we putting over here? Oh, that's neat. Maybe it's a, book 2022, the trip. Oh, that's pretty cool. We got 5 books. This is neat. Let's clean up a little bit. All right, time to get to the goods. So, what's in here? Like I said, I'm taking a wild guess, carbon fiber front lip. I might be completely wrong. Let's take a peek and see what we have. Oh, I think, is this the rear diffuser? This is the rear diffuser. It's not the front lip, it's the rear diffuser. Ooh, let's check this out. This is gonna be nice. I'll tape it back up later if I have to. Actually, this is probably going on my car because I ordered one of everything. I want to get some photos and everything for everybody. This thing is just so light. It's insane how light this is. Just one finger, look at that. Super light, as expected. Got the beautiful 300 logo. Let's flip it around. Right here. This product produced by 300, made in Japan, manufacturer certificate, and Akito. He is, from my knowledge, the owner or main person. That's the gentleman I've been speaking with when getting this import going. Oh my God, this is beautiful, this carbon fiber. Look at that. Just look at that weave. So it comes pre-installed with some adhesive tape, double-sided across here. You got one, looks like one right here, and one right here. On the bottom, this will sit like this from the rear. The main difference with this is very minor different than the factory one. It sits right over it. It extends out just a little bit more, not a ton, but it extends out a little bit more. It looks like visually, without having it on the car, it's going to add a little bit more to the side. And then I know from reading on the website, the fins are slightly different. It's going to add a little bit more aggression, but nothing too crazy to the fins. Now my main concern is I have the Ragazone exhaust. Is my massive Ragazone exhaust tips, trying to get this in view better for you guys, gonna fit in here? And you know what? I think so, depending on how this looks. Maybe we'll go outside and do a little test fit real quick. Just kind of pop it on and see how it looks, but just take a look at this. Every little crevice is just wonderfully done. You can tell they did not skip out on anything when it comes to production of this piece. And I've heard great things about 300, but now seeing it firsthand, I can see why. Every little crevice laid down perfectly, super smooth. Just wipe off a little bit of dust. Look at the corners, it's wonderfully done. Thing just looks stunning. So this is just one piece. Unfortunately, the rest of the goods did not get delivered today. We have carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber front lip. This is the rear diffuser. What else do we have? Carbon fiber mirror caps, trim pieces, so many other parts coming in for the 124 Spider. And then when we do our next import, that's when people will be able to pre-order products for the 500 and plenty other. I just can't stop staring at this. This is gorgeous. All right, you know what? Let's go outside real quick and just do a little test fitment just to see how it looks visually. I'm just gonna kind of put it right over. We'll see how it looks. All right, so I'm gonna do a little test fit real quick and then I'll bring the camera over. We're just gonna kind of lay it over and see how it looks. So for reference real quick, you're gonna see the stock one, it comes out, but very, very little. If we go to the side, it just drops and cuts off right there. And we have a small, ever so small fin right here, where if we quickly just bring this up, well, you're gonna notice right off the bat, ready, watch this. You see that? Look at that. It really like brings out that fin a little bit more. Nothing too crazy, but it really brings it down and it should sit a little bit more up. So let's be careful. Look at that weave. Oh, this looks beautiful. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. We're just gonna do a quick test fitment. Let's bring it back here. And then, like I said, I'll bring the camera up close. Hopefully we could just kind of lay it on there and that's it. Got those big Ragazone exhaust tips. Look at that, like a glove. Like a freaking glove. Oh my God. I can't see it from far away. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's gonna fall if I let go. But here's just a quick glimpse. And I'm sorry, there's a lot of wind noise going on. I have a microphone here that might be better, so I'll try and sync whatever audio works better. But I wanna see it from your angle. Oh, that looks beautiful, and it fits with those tips. That is beautiful. Now let's see, on the edges, let me bring the camera closer. Is it gonna hold for a second? No, all right. Get over here, come on. All right, ready? So let's take a quick look. So what we're gonna notice right off the bat, the stock one cuts off right there. This one gives you a little bit extra. You see that? And the fitment is perfect. I'm just doing it by hand. Once this thing is double-sided tape, you don't need to like deform it or heat it up or anything. As you can tell, every little nook and cranny and crevice, once you push it in, it fits perfectly. So we have much more aggressive styling here. You have the side piece. You have this coming out more than the factory, as you see, not by a lot, but just enough. And then the fins, got these beautiful fins coming down that the stock one it was very, very subtle. And then obviously perfectly cut out. Again, when I push this thing in, don't remember, I'm just holding. If I let go, it's gonna fall right off basically. But check out that fitment. Ooh, the sun is shining now. You can really see that carbon fiber glistening. This thing is beautiful. So one more time, I'm gonna try and pull it off. You see, there's like no, right there, you can literally see that fin. I did it before, but that fin, there's like nothing there. That's one of the main differences in this. Not only are you getting the carbon fiber, you're getting something more aesthetically pleasing, a little more aggressive with, to me, not being over the top. You're adding a little bit more depth over here. You have that extra piece coming out the side a little bit. It's coming out again here, and then you have this extra fin that comes out much more than the factory. gonna try and take this all off in one pull. Look, see how it slides? It literally slides over the exhaust beautifully. Look at that difference. This fin almost looks weird now. It's just like a little nook, or not even a nook, whatever the opposite is. It just kind of pops out and that's it. It covers and fits the Ragazone exhaust. If you're interested, Ragazone is already on DrivenDistrict.com, and these pieces from 300 are going to be available on DrivenDistrict.com very soon for pre-order. I hope you guys enjoy this. Drop a comment. Let me know what else you guys want, because I will have a ton of parts available. Basically anything will be available, and that's what I plan on importing on the next order. Of course, more of what's popular, less of what's not popular, and that's where you guys come into play. So you guys need to help me out by telling me what you guys want. What car, what vehicle, what part, all that good stuff. Let me know what you want, and we'll go from there. So if you're interested in 300 products, they produce extremely high quality parts for a variety, and then they specialize in just Fiat and Abarth. Basically Abarth, because these are made in Japan, and they have all the Abarth trims for the 500, for the 595, the 124 Spider. We're going to be having 300 products on DrivenDistrict.com very soon, so be sure to subscribe if you're interested in more content, more updates on this, to see more unboxings, and to keep up to date on when we're going to have the pre-orders live. I will definitely have a video update on my Instagram, on YouTube, and on some of the social media channels on Facebook and forums as well. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.